What's up? What's up? We get started in like 2 minutes. Like 2 minutes. Got some trades for y'all. So get y'all pens, pencils, all that good stuff out. We chilling.
Looks like you lost another one.
We're gonna start with the sauce. Start with some sauce. Start with these swing trades. I got a bunch of them, so take what you like. Take what you like. All right, these are all gonna be market execution. All of them will be market execution. All of them. So every single trade you see right now is gonna be market execution. So this is AUDJPY daily. So the first two trades are gonna be on daily. So you got three days. So that's to what's that, Tuesday? So Wednesday, Thursday got to a Friday to be in profit. You got to a Friday. So you can click the button now, AUDJPY, stop loss TP. It should be a pretty good trade. This should be a pretty good trade. All right, let me get this one. I'm gonna take this one right here actually. I love me some AJ though. Love me some AJ. All right, I'm gonna cop AJ. Let that one ride. All right, AJPY. Next one is YoCat. YoCat daily. This is gonna be a BTS daily. So this is the BTS daily on YoCat. The first TP is to the white line. The second TP is a risk reward of 1 or 2. All right, these two trades right here are the daily. 3 days by Friday. You gotta be in profit by Friday. If you're not in profit after Friday, exit. Get out of there. Too easy. Alright. Next ones are gonna be 24 hours. So that means you're not in profit by this time tomorrow, you exit the trade. These are coming from the 8 hours, so 24 hours. You're not in profit by this time tomorrow, you gotta exit the trade. Next one's coming up. Got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 9 of these. Take your pick. Easy swings, easy swings. Alright, first one up, CAD Chef. Alright, even better entry. So it's nice. Nice pullback to the red. Even better. CAD Chefy. Looking good. Alright, this is 8 hours. So make sure you manage your trades. Make sure you know which is which. This is 24 hours. Gotta be in profit by this time tomorrow. CAD Chef looking good. I'm gonna do all these and then we're gonna get to the nitty gritty. Get some nods, get some US 30, get some France 40 in there. But I want to get you guys these swing trades, that these 24-hour holds, something you ain't gotta look at all day. These are easy trades. These are the ones you don't have to worry about. These are set and forget it. You're gonna look at these things. You set a timer and you move on. All right, next one, CAD JPY. Still, these next 9 trades right now are gonna be off the 8 hour, and they're gonna be 3 candle rule. Nice entry, even better entry. Look at that, nice pullback. Pays the weight, and you gotta be in profit by this time tomorrow. Too easy. CAD J. All right, let's get this one on. AJ was daily. AJ and EuroCAD was daily. All the rest of these now are going to be 8 hour. So 24 hours, you got to be in profit. By tomorrow night, 8 p.m. Eastern, you should be down here. Good deal, good deal. All right, CAD J, 8 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours, gotta be in profit. All these 24 hours. Euro GBP. Nice. GBP looking good. All right, I like that. It's got some nice structure too. Euro GBP. All these Euro pairs dipping heavy. I like this trade though. I like this one a lot. It's probably the best one I like right here. It's pen to the aqua. All right, they came at a key level, looking real nice. Bam. They gave you a nice bearish candle, looking good. Can't ask for anything else. Trap the traders, looking good. So I like this one a lot. Current market price. All right, so Euro GBP. All right, your GP looking good. This is again 24 hours. Gotta be in profit. Be good to go. I like this one a lot right here. This is dope. I'm gonna take this one too. I'm gonna take this one for sure. Easy trades right here. You guys set and forget it. All you do is you're gonna plug them in. You in profit by tomorrow night. This time, guess what? You out of there. You exit the trade. This is by far my favorite way to swing trade. I don't have to hold for days at a time if I don't want to. I go for 24 hours. I just know that, hey, I don't buy tomorrow. I know that if I'm not in profit, by the time I get back on Asian session, I'm out of the trade. Too easy. I don't gotta worry about all the noise. I don't gotta worry about anything. I know that I'm gonna go up and down in the market. All I'm looking for is 3 candles to be down here. So that's 1, 2, 3, all the way down here, and I'm good to go. If I'm not down there by my next Asian session, I'm out of there. If I am, I'm gonna manage my trade, and I'm gonna see where I'm at. But I mean, if I'm in profit, I should be this is a couple hundred pips. I should be down here. Yeah, I should be down here, 60 pips deep. I mean, I should be almost 60 pips deep. So by the time I'm in profit. Cat Chef. Yep. Cat Chef was a sell. Cat Chef was a sell. Stop loss. TP. Alright. Cat JPY. I didn't even put that one on. Dang. I didn't put it on there. There we go. Boom. Yeah, there we go. All right, what else we got? Let's see. We got Euro USD in the house. Yeah, Tara, this is sell. Cash Chef is sell. Euro USD in the house.
Looks like you lost another one.
Wow, look at that. Nice pull back. Give us even better risk to reward. Looking good. Looking healthy. Let this Euro USD fall to the ground with all this war. Looking great. Euro USD. This one will probably fall to the ground. This one will be the one that if anything of these fall, it'll probably be this one that falls to the ground. Because this war is kicking their butt. Definitely kicking their butt. They don't know what to do with themselves. Alright, Euro USD looking good. Again, guys, I mean, don't put every trade in there. I would put like at max 4. You got swing trades at max because you're going to trade every day? Or sorry, trade all day tomorrow? At max, I mean, so you let some of these ride. Pick the ones you want to ride and then go with it. That's all. Use proper lots. These are some pretty long stop losses because you are playing on the higher time frame. It's a swing trade, so you got to let the noise happen. Don't go staring it down. Just set your timer. It's 24 hours. All right, GCAD. GCAD looked pretty good. But make sure it closed correctly on GCAD. And it gave us a nice pullback, even better. Good. Bam. All right, GCAD. I like it. Reach up to these highs over here. So looking pretty good up here. Looks pretty good. It can go soaring. All right, so GCAD. Same deal. All right, GBP CAD. Give y'all a chance to write some of these down. Throw them in the chats and everything, so you can go scroll through them on this Zoom chat. So yeah, guys, how y'all feel about these? You know, you kind of like these swing trades. I kind of want to do something different because when we get into these overnight trades, at least you don't have to worry about, you know, hey, if I know if it pulls back, it's got a long way to pull back. You know, I don't see nothing pull back 100 pips in the A range, not that I know of. Let's see, GCAD looks good. So we got GCAD, GPCHF. GPCHF. All right. This is a move I haven't showed y'all yet. But this is an extra sauce candle. I'll show y'all when y'all do some more homework. But 3 candle rule on this. All right, so let's say GPCHF. This thing should definitely take off. Our morning London trade took off because of this move, so it's pretty nice. All right, looking good. Bam. Now you can take your money whenever you want, anytime you want, but you follow your rules. You got 3 candles, so you can hold. Like I said, you hold this to tomorrow night. If you 60-70 pips in profit, hey, take it. Make it risk free. Take your money. But you want to make sure you're in profit, good profit. These plays are designed to put you in about 50 pips profit at minimum. They're designed for that. So when you're in profit, you want those 50 pips. USD CAD pulling back nicely. USD CAD. I got one more for 24 hours. One more for 8-hour candle. 8-hour for 8-hour sauce. I got one more. That's gonna be US oil. Oh no, I lied. I got USD ZAR and US oil. I lied. There we go. I got the ZAR, baby. Got the ZAR, baby. All right, USD CAD. All right, and then we have US oil. So we'll go to ZAR first. Got the ZAR, baby. All right, so USD ZAR. Again, 2 of these moves is something I haven't taught y'all, so you don't have to take it, but I'm definitely taking ZAR. USD ZAR. Nice pullback on ZAR too, so good pullback on ZAR. Nice little pullback. All right, USD ZAR, and then we have oil. All right, oil through this MES here. I like it. I do like it, and it's been really dropping. But what happens is oil broke the water. All right, they broke the water for an hour and a half, obviously. Or an 8 hour, they broke it, came back here, and they threw us a nice super. So that is why it's marked up, and it's pulling back nicely, which is fine. But I'm gonna still put it up here because it's a pretty good play. It's a pretty good play. The TP is to the white line. How was y'all day today? I saw some of y'all really made it, really killed it. All right, next batch is gonna be for a day and a half, so it's 36 hours. 36-hour hold, so that means 12 hours. You're not in prop, so 12 hours, so 36 hours. Non-profit, day and a half. You exit the trade. It's a day and a half, so you got 3 days. You got 24 hours, and now you got a day and a half, so you get to hold some of these trades for a little while. All right, so first one's gonna be USD Huff. Nice higher time frame BTS, looking good. I love this trade on Huff because it's fast. All right, again, a day and a half. So now we're working on a day and a half. All right, there's Huff, 3 candles or less. Gotta be in there. 1, 2, 3 down here, day and a half. I'm actually gotta put this one in hold on 1 second.
Looks like you lost another one.
Put in wrong. 316. Oh, 316. There we go. What did I put in wrong? There we go. Now we in business. Got the Huff Meister. I like USD Huff. All right, so USD Huffs. All right. USD ZAR, same deal. So USD ZAR, same parameters. You got a day and a half. Spit out the same thing. All right. So same parameters on USD ZAR, so you can hold that for a day and a half rather than the 24 hours. Same parameters. Same thing for oil. Same deal on oil. Same thing on oil. All right. Same parameters, day and a half. You want to hold oil day and a half instead of 24 hours. So Huff and oil are gonna be the same thing. So USD. All right, EuroCAD, I believe the same thing. EuroCAD. That's what I have on there. EuroCAD. EuroCAD. Yes. EuroCAD. Yes. Did I put that one up there? Yeah, I did. Same parameters. Nope, it's not. Yes. So EuroCAD. This is for a day and a half. So I had EuroCAD for a daily. This is also for a day and a half. Same deal. So EuroCAD, same parameters, day and a half. So you got 3 day for EuroCAD, or you got a day and a half. Take your pick. Make sure you choose one though. Make sure you choose one. Don't choose both. Make sure you choose one. And GPCHF. All right. Same deal. Day and a half. Same. Actually, your stop loss is going to be a little further on this one. No, same parameters. All right, so same parameters on that. So GPCHF, same parameters. And GU, last one on this was GU. Before we go to the other one, GU. All right, GU is spitting out now. I don't know why I had those earlier. I have this. GU is surpassing us. So hold on. Yeah, it took off, didn't it? It took off. Yeah, forget GU, it took off. This was our actual entry. But you guys we can still get in it. We got plenty of time. It's still a day and a half. So I mean, you're only gonna be 12 pips. It's not even that crazy. So we will put it by the aqua. Looks good. Good deal. Yeah. Alright, it's GU. Alright, any questions on that so far? Let me know. Y'all got all those? Y'all sleeping? Oh, so what I do? What I do? All good? Alright. All right. All right. I'm pretty sure all y'all waiting for like US 30 stuff. Reason why y'all ain't growing your accounts, right? I know, right? Y'all killing me with that. All right. Let's do Gold. Let's do gold for a second because I like gold. I gotta do US. I gotta analyze US 30 last, cause and NAS 100 last, cause they did something crazy. Actually, we're not missing our move, are we? Huh? We're not missing our move, are we? All right, hold on. We gotta go analyze this now. We can't miss our entry. All right, we are looking good. Trapped him. Trapped him. Gold's not ready yet, so we're good. All right, hold on. I'm about to catch this on a lower time frame because that was our entry. That's okay though. That is okay. It hasn't closed yet. We got 9 minutes for this thing to close. It hasn't closed yet. So we get to mark it up, so we're good. We need this thing to close. So let's mark it up real quick, and then we can get up in there. Alright, we got a nice key level. It's looking pretty good. Looks good. We need this to close though. Once this closes, we're good to go. This is on NAS 100, so yeah. Alright. Pretty much got him up here. They got him up here right now, so we're good on that. Alright. Downtrend going on. Pull back. Trade with the trend. Downtrend. Pull back. We need this candle to close. So 8 minutes and 30 seconds. So we got some time. So we'll set it up. Same place, same place, same place. All right. So we're gonna mark these up. First push, second push, third push is down there. All right. Let that candle close. We got 6 minutes and 44 seconds. We'll just mark up US 30. I'm pretty sure it's probably doing this same thing. Yes, it is. All right. This same thing. Only thing is, coming up here is a little far. It can come up here, but we're going to take it where we see it. So, take it where we see it. Got some trapped people up here. They trapped. Definitely trapped. All right. Boom. Same thing that NAS is doing. So it looks like they're probably gonna do the same movement. We just need this to really fill in. If it don't fill in, we probably won't take that one. Well, we will, but it'll be We ain't gonna go crazy on it. All right, we got about 5 minutes on this, so we shall see what they do with that candle. All right, hang on. We got 5 minutes on that. All right, so 5 minutes on that. Man, I'm not talking about no trap. Nah, I got you. I got you. Yeah. I'll look at it. I'll mess with you. We'll look at it. It's trapping though. They trapping. They going to trap and drop to like 21. Don't you get in that trade, boy? You gonna wake up in the morning and be mad. Now we'll look at it in a minute. We'll check it out. We'll look at it. We'll see if we can find a stop hunt for you. We'll see if we can find a stop hunt. I saw some things going in. Shoot, that ATH, boy, don't you do that, man. You're gonna wake up screaming. Ah! Boy, wake up out the bed screaming. Thing that can't took off. All right, gold. All right, we're gonna be patient on gold. Let's see. Drop it low, gold. Needs you to come back up though. So the correction is near. The correction is near, but not that near. So what we can do is let it drop low. Y'all don't let 5 minutes lapse on me. Let me know so we can catch our entry. I'm trying to find his entry on this gold. We got a lot of rejects. We gonna know it, man. We gonna let them take out all these buyers. Let them take them out. We can catch our entry down here. Let them take them out. Let them take it out. We'll catch him at 891. Let them drop. Let them drop. We ain't gonna play no games, man. Better be safe, right? Better be safe. 91, it dropped there. We're gonna take it at 86. 86 is pretty safe. But dropping lower than that, we in trouble, right? So we're gonna take 1891. 86 seems good to go with me. And we're gonna come all the way back up here to the A range high. That was 2 days ago or yesterday. So we're gonna do. All right, gold buy limit. Yeah, it's going to hit somebody with the oop-de-doop. I don't want to be that person. I don't want to be that person that gets stuck. That's why we're going to take it when it's low. It's got a nice drop coming to rise for tomorrow because tomorrow this thing going to take off. So we're going to try to catch it. 1891. Let's do 90. Let's get into the trade. So let's do 50. Let's make sure we get into the trade. We don't want it to pass us. I'd rather wake up and hit some TPs. 1891, 50. We want to make sure we get into this trade. All right, so 91, 50. Let's automatically get 30 pips out the way on this thing. 1896, easy peasy. So we're gonna do 95. $18.86 TP 1895. All right, cool. Appreciate that. We got time on gold. We make sure we don't miss Nas. Hold on. I don't want to miss the entry on this, y'all. Or go, or I don't want to make sure we miss no entries, because if it drops on us, it drops, and it might not give us the opportunity we're gonna do. All right, cool. All right, we should be good. I think we good. What you think, Eric? I think we good, man. I think we got it here. I think we might have caught her. I think she's gonna go past that bullish. I think she's gonna go past this. Yeah, she's gonna go past this. She's definitely gonna take off on this one. All right, guys, go ahead and sell Nas. I'm hopping this with y'all. I'm gonna get the parameters. Don't go crazy on it. Bow. All right, you got 3 TPs. All right. I'm gonna bust them all. Bust them all. Same thing on US 30. Same thing on US 30. Same, should be the same entry. Hold on, same entry on US 30. Yeah, they're moving the same. So same deal. You can enter US 30 or NAS, or you can enter both, whatever one you want. I'm about to put the parameters up right now. As soon as I figure out what I'm gonna put my trade in. All right, good deal. Let Nas roll. Let me go ahead and get this for you. Oh no, I'm going right back to gold. I didn't want to miss this, because what happens is this could just drop the TP1, and then we won't get in. That's all. I'm about to go right back to gold. All right, so this is Nas 100. Stop loss 14,054.90. TP1 is 13,984.90. TP2 13,868.8. TP3 137.96. And don't go crazy on it, but definitely put some money on it, guys. This is well thought out. Like, we've been watching this thing like all day. So if I got stopped out on this, I wouldn't even be mad. Like, I literally been watching this thing like since I've been waiting for this move all day. Literally waiting for this move all day. And then tomorrow, I'm really gonna get to it. All right, so that's NAS, which is US 30. I'll put the numbers on here for US 30. All right, US 30, let's see. All right, entries down 33,841, 33,737, 33,588, 30. Yep. All right, good to go. That's US 30. All right, dirty 30. All right, and then so we got. Put them stop losses in, guys. 100%. Put them in. Don't play around with them. Don't play around with it. If we get our first CP before I close my eyes, I'm good. I'll let it drop. I'll put everything in risk free, and I'll fall asleep nice and good. All right, let's go back to gold. All right, so NAS and US 30 is solidified. Set it, forget it. TP's up there. Stop losses up there. Don't go crazy. All right, gold, 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 coming down to us. All right, let's check it out. All right, 1891, 50 to 1914. Let's get that in there. TP1, 1895. TP2, gotta get 1900. Pulls back, hits 1897. TP 1908, 1914. Those are the last key levels. Boom. That's gold. Buy limit on gold.
Looks like you lost another one.
All right, cool. Yeah, let that come to us. Let that actually come to us. That should hit us. Probably London. Might be tonight, but let that come to you. Don't go chasing it. Let this thing come back. Cause this is pretty solid right here. This is pretty solid right here. This whole area right here is retailers traders dream right here. But we don't want to put our stuff up here and then we get stopped out down here. So I'm just putting a little lower. That's why I'm putting it pretty much where these wicks are. We want them to come back. This is a good buy right here. This is like this right here. This is what we want right here. We want this to happen. We want them to come and get us and come up 100 pips. That's exactly what we want. That will give us all the way to TP1, 2, TP2. They gapped up here, so if they come back down here again, what do? Come back up to TP2. So yeah, if they come back down here, we can hit TP2. We probably should hit TP3. We should probably hit TP3 before we have to actually really like wait for a real big pullback. Let's see. All the retail traders are down here buying. Let them take it out. The sniper entry's right here at 1888, but if it don't come there, we miss our entry. All right, cool. So this is the stop hunt right here. This is where they're gonna take out the traders right here. They'll take out all those buyers that have stop losses, and they're gonna hit them. That should put us in profit when they pull back. So essentially, come down. They gapped here. They're gonna fill this gap again. They gotta fill this gap. This gap right here, they're gonna fill this. So they came down, hit this, come back up here, and fill all that money. A lot of money right here. A lot of money right there. So we should get all that. Yeah, we should be pretty good. You know, I'll love me some gold, so I'll be studying it. Make sure we're good to go. All right, US 30 is good to go. We are looking good on those trades. How y'all feeling? Let me know. Give us some ones if y'all entered right. I entered one. I only did NAS. I did NAS on one broker. So I did NAS on one account. I did US 30 on the other. I do not put them in the same account. Heck no. That's asking for it. That's asking for it. I put them in different. I just choose one, or I do 1 and 1, and that's it. But I chose NAS 100 today on one broker and US 30 on the other, so we good. I'm with y'all, and we in there, y'all. We're definitely in there. So let them ride. Let them do what they gotta do. It's scary though. I know it's scary falling asleep on those. All right, so I got gold. Let's look at I'm gonna look at ETH on a naked chart because we want to find out if they're going to trap. Let's see if they're going to trap. Let's check them out.
Looks like you lost another one.
Let me zoom out, see what they're doing. They got the drop down here. Woo! They about to drop. Hit the key level, broke it. Pull back. Trap traders. Bam. Trade with the trend. Let's see where they're at. Trade with the trend. That's your entries now. Entries pretty much now. But let's check it out. Oh, yep. So I would come off the 4 hour. So you got two options. Whoever trying to trade this. I got up looking at trades for London. I said trash. Yeah, you just gotta be looking at it right. I know, you gotta trust it. So you got two options. You can come off the 1 hour and take it now. You can take it in 4 minutes, or you can come off the 4 hour and take it in 2 hours. Let that candle close. Whatever one you want to do. I would come off the 1 hour because it's a little faster. And let's see what they did. Let's see what they did. Bam. So they're really hitting up here. Oops, hold on. They're really hitting this. They're really taking out traders. They took out traders here. So they tested it many times. They gave you what you wanted. Pulled back again. Okay. So yeah. You should be good on this. Give me what you wanted. This is the actual entry right here. But wait till this candle closes. Let this candle close. It might give you a pullback to get back in. So this is what it looks like. This is a key level in the market. So what happens is, look at this key level. If you look at this key level in the market, you just drag it all the way across, and you see that this is a very high interest area. It's hard. This is hard to break through. This is hard, kind of supply and demand. But you don't gotta play it that way. You gotta play a rejection. So play a rejection. There's a lot of rejection right there. So you got a lot of rejection on ETH, a lot of it. So I mark it as a key level because I'm gonna just keep it there. Key level. Trap traders. They're trapped, trying to get in that buy. Alright, they're trapped. And then you this is gonna be your candle here, but let it pull back some more. They threw you some nice info right here. So what it looks like is this. You even have got that order block right here as well too. So it's going past this. It's the last one before this took off. Well, I guess so, yeah, because you got you got 3 of these jokers down here. You got 1, 2, 3. I would go with that one.
Looks like you lost another one.
I would go with this one. I would go with that one because that one looks more enticing than this one. But actually, no. I'll go with that one. Get your money, right? Get your money. Alright, so you're definitely trapping right there. Definitely trapping. Like this says buy, but this is trapping like crazy. So bam. Put it up here with Timmy Johnson. Boom. Should give you down here at least 1 or 2. And we might hit the OB. Yeah, we are. Look at that on the money. On the money. So that was what I would like right here. This is what I would like. So ETH, this is what I would do. I would do this right here. I would enter in about 40 seconds. And then I would set my stop loss. Everything like this. I would even probably go 50 on this one. Just to give you some spiking room. You know how they do. Alright, first TP. Try to catch some of these pushes. It's 24 hours a day it moves. Pull down. Hit the first area. Boom. Second area. First push. Second push. Boom. Third push is down here. So 25, 92, 67. Other TP 25, 45, 75. Last one 24, 99, 20. And that's what I would do. I would get in right now. That's what I would do. Yeah, right there. Even got a good entry, so that's me. That's what I would do. Bam. There you go, Ayo. I'll even throw it in the chat. It's not a bad setup. I wouldn't buy it. I would trade with the trend because all you have is you have this. You have the real move. You get the real move down. Pull back is the fake move. Trap the traders, real move. That's what I see. That's what I see. Because what happens is, what somebody gonna do is they're gonna say, oh, what happens is they'll do this. The buys of the candles are right here. So somebody's gonna set their trade up. The average person gonna set their trade like this. They're gonna do this. They're gonna long this position. They longed it right there. Bam. They longed it right there. All right. And they're gonna have their stop loss down here, which they probably already hit stop loss already. And they're gonna come all the way back here to these highs. And right now they're gonna be in major drawdown right now. So they're opposite of you right now. So that right there is gonna be pulling down TPs, all because they thought that it broken retest, which it did. But guess what? It's come back inside the retest, which the retest is gonna be first. If we do institutional, we got order block 1. Oh, sorry, we got order block 1, order block 2, order block 3. And our TP's down here at the first and second one. So let's validate it. That's how I look at it. Sometimes you gotta trade these. Sometimes I gotta revert back to institutional sometimes because the way these pairs are like so volatile, I gotta play with stop hunt because all the indices do and all crypto do is they stop hunt all day. Gold stop hunts all day. So I literally play a stop hunt. That's why I taught you guys how to play stop hunt. I'm gonna keep teaching you guys how to do it. You get better at it. But sometimes you just gotta go what you know. And that's how I know how to play it. So I play sauce and everything on it, heck yeah. I'll play all day, but if I see the stop hunt entry, I'm in there. I won't think twice about it. Let me see. But that's what I would do. I would let it chill. I would drop a little something on there, set it, forget it, set my TPs, TP1, TP2, TP3, or whatever ones you want, and I would go from there. But you're gonna get a lot of pullback. You're gonna get a lot of the spreads are terrible right now, so you're gonna get some spreads opening like crazy. Like you're gonna get some crazy spreads opening. Like the spreads are gonna be ridiculous. You know what I mean? Right now the spreads are ridiculous because you're playing in the A range. But they'll slow down. They'll slow down. Come around 11:30 midnight. They'll start closing in. But right now our spreads are gonna look crazy. You know, you could be in profit the same amount, and then you pull back. You would be in profit like $25. And then you could pull back and be in negative $75 on these positions because the spread's so big when they pull back. What happens when they pull back, they open up the spreads. But they won't open up the spreads when they give you your money. So when you're making money, they won't open the spreads. So they'll open it up to where you're not making too much. But when they pull back, they'll open those spreads up to where you can't, really get all that money. So no, stop hunt is where, so liquidity is where there's money. So where there's money at, they fill these gaps. So here is like money right here. This is where money's at here, in between these gaps. All right, money's down here because liquidity has been filled. Orders haven't been filled down here, so they're gonna take money down here because orders haven't been filled. So there's a lot of money. So a lot of money like this space. That's liquidity where there's money. Stop hunts is where they take out the pending. They're looking for stop losses. So they look at they look for people that's in trouble with margin trouble, or they're over leveraging, or pending orders. Take out those pending orders and activate them. That's what stop hunt is. It's to take out your stop loss. That's pretty much what that is. Stop hunts. Trap those traders. They trap the traders. They're trapping you. So They'll give you this move, give you this move to go up. They'll go ahead and continue giving it momentum going up, and they'll wick you up and down, and then they'll trap everybody here, and then they'll just shoot down because they got their money. So they come up here, they're like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. We got our money down here. We're gonna go up here now. We're gonna go up here. You know what? No one wants to buy, so we're gonna hang out up here. And then as soon as people start buying, all right, they'll drop a little bit, and they'll say, well, maybe I should buy, and then they'll start pulling up, and as people start filling those orders, which will be right here, they'll start filling those orders. When they start filling those orders, they'll take them all out. Bam. It's dirty, I know. It's dirty. It's just how they do it. It's dirty, but this is the market, man. That's just the market. So when the market's pumping, and it's trying to go up, and like, all right, no one wants to buy, then everybody will start buying, and they'll take off. And then when they take off, they'll say, well, we got our money, and then they'll just drop and take everybody out. So that's just how they move. That's how the market makers move. It's dirty though. It's funny though. That's why I was laughing today. I was like, man, like Nas 100 just took out everybody. Took out everybody. Yeah, we chilling. We should be good.
Like you lost another one.
Those swing trades, guys, those are good. Those are gonna be chilling. Those are gonna be some good trades. Just follow your rules, set it, forget it, let it be. Don't go crazy on it. We'll get some more trades there in London, so should be alright. But I want to give you guys some trades you can sleep on. I know we get tired of trying to wait for those pendings to hit, and you up all night waiting to see if it hits. But so I'm trying to do a little something different on Asian section and give you guys something you can hold. Something you could hold and get used to holding that trade, especially for a day and a half, 24 hours. When I find something on gold, I'll find something on gold, I'll be good to go. If I can find a couple of days hold on gold, it'd be nice. Also, I think Cat Chef, if you want a position trade, I think I saw Cat Chef had a monthly. I think they had a monthly. Hold on, let me see. I think they had a monthly. I swore I saw a monthly. If you want a position trade, you can. I've done it one time, and it's long. I think it had the monthly. Yep, there it goes right there. So in 5 days, you got some monthly sauce on Cat Chef, and it looks really nice. I ain't gonna lie. Like, let me zoom out. Yeah, this is textbook right here, man. This is textbook. This move is about, on Cat Chef, this is long. This move is 600 pips or more. That's a nice move. So if you like it, Cat Chef will not take your account. And like I said, especially if you fund it, this is perfect for you. You can let this ride. We got 3 months to be in profit. So see what it does in 5 days and go for it. So yeah, trailing stop loss. Let me show you how it looks on trailing stop loss. Let me show you what it is. Let me show you what they do. So let's say something like, let's just go over here. Let me show you what trailing do. This is why I don't use it. This is why I don't teach it. This is why I used to use it all the time. But let me show you what it does. All right, so let's do this. I know we rocking, but let me show you guys so you can see what trailing stop loss does. So let's say we get into a trade like this. Because I'm a risk-free type of person, and I don't like to give up money. I'm a risk-free. So say we got this trade here. Let's just come down here. All right, let's just replay this back for a second. Let's get up in here. Say we got out here somewhere. So we got up in here. Nice clean stop loss. Boom. All right, we got in here. All right. So we're going to go TP1. Let's say TP1. Around there. All right. And then TP2. Around there. And then TP3 is way up there. All right. So let's play it back a little bit. All right. So when you have a trailing stop, right? The market makers are going to catch you. They're going to catch all these trailing stops. They're going to stop hunt the heck out of you. All right. So let's check this out. So what your trailing stop does, all right? When we say risk free, we put our stop loss 3 to 5 pips above our entry. So that way, if it pulls us back and it stops us in profit, then hey, guess what? We still make profit regardless.
Looks like you lost another one.
So what they'll do is, when we get into this profit, so say we got our money and we're in profit. So now we're in profit. So we're in profit, and I'm gonna slow this down so you can see it. All right, so then they get in profit, and we're good to go. So now you hit your TP1, boom, TP1's hit. What your trailing does is it goes to TP1. It'll go, if you trail it 20 pips, your trailing will do this. Your trailing will do right here. So it'll do 20 pips and it'll trail it. So say it's 20 pips, it'll trail it right there. All right, it'll trail it about right there. All right. So now it's moved up and you're trailing that first TP 20 pips. It trails that first TP about 20 pips or 5 pips. Usually about 5 to 6 pips people do. All right, or they'll do 20 pips, but we'll just say, all right, they'll do it right there. So now your stop loss went from back here to up here. So now you're just trailing that the next TP. So the next TP is going to be up here. So what they're going to do? Well, you know they have 3 pushes in the market and they got to pull back. So to have it so tight, when they pull back, all right, you have a risk of getting stopped out. So they'll come up here and they'll keep going and going, and your trailing's still there. So your trailing's still there, which is nice. And now it gets hit, all right? And that thing gets hit. Do the spread, it gets hit. So now it gets hit. Do the spread, right? So now you got hit. Now you're tapped out, and guess what? You're still in profit though. So versus you putting your stuff down here, versus you putting your 3 to 5 pips down here. Guess what? You put 3 to 5 pips in front of that. Guess what? Nothing happens. You're still in profit. Versus right here where you got tapped out, you're originally 25 pips in profit. It stopped you out from your trailing. You probably didn't take any money. Or sorry, you probably took a little bit of money on your first TP. First TP's hit. Now guess what it's doing? Now you're 40 pips in profit and you got stopped out. Versus you are 40 pips in profit and your stop loss is only 35 pips above your entry and you're still rolling in profit. So let's see what it does again. So if it does it again, it'll pull up. If you got another position rolling, it'll hit that right there. It'll hit that right there. So once it does that, it will trail this one. If you got another position going, it'll trail this one. So now it'll trail this position, that other TP. And if it pulls back and taps you out, guess what happens? Now you're out of that position, you know? So that's how this trailing stop works. That's why I don't use it. Versus you got all this, and all you got to do is make it risk-free. Like this, 35 pips, boom, risk-free, and you let your trade move. Take 80% off the top, let the rest ride. That's it. 80% off the top, let the rest ride. And your trade looks like that when you're risk-free. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about when your trade is like that, risk-free. Nothing to worry about. Yeah, and that's exactly what it does. That's what trailing stops does. So what you should probably do is practice it. Instead of trailing it, take your money and let it ride. So practice taking your money, putting it 3 to 5 pips. So if you got a point, say you got a point, you got an 01. Once it hits the first checkpoint, just take the 08 off, 80 cents off the dollar, and let the 20 cents ride. And see where your trade takes you. You're gonna gain more. So if you had 80 cents or you had a dollar, you made $30. So then you took but the 80 cents, you made about what, $27, $26 when you close it out. All right, now you got $2 rolling. So from there, you got the other $2 rolling, and you're way up here. So $200, you know what I mean? Actually $200. So you're chilling. So yeah, trailing's nice. I mean, I don't know if it works for you, go for it. I just don't, because when the market pulls back, you know, it pulls back, and I don't want my trailing knocking me out of profit when I'm 40 pips in profit. It knocks me back, and all of a sudden it goes another 50 pips in profit. I don't like all that. I'm trying to get the move, so I'll put it 3 to 5 pips above, take my money, and I'll never look at it again until it comes back. If it comes back to entry, it's a long way. That's a long way back to entry. That's a long way. So I'm gonna make them work for it. I'm gonna make them work for it. It pulls back, but it's gonna work for it. You know. So, but that's how trailing works. So now you know how it works. So when you see it hit you, you'll get tired of getting stopped out in profit. You'll get tired of it knocking you out. You will get tired of it. I know I did. That's why I stopped using it. When I learned what it did, I was like, nah, I'm not using this again. And it took it took for someone to actually show me how it worked. Like I had to actually see how it worked. But yeah, yeah, that's all. Yeah, same. Take partials, stop loss, break even, move on. That's it. That's all I do. I don't do anything, nothing. Every trade, as soon as I see a checkpoint, I make it risk free, and I let it ride. That's it. Nothing else. I don't like to do anything fancy with it. So, but y'all got any questions? I'm gonna let you at 30 and you at Nas 100. Let all these trades that I have ride. I got a few in. I didn't take everything. Well, actually, I did take everything. So I have them in the different brokers. I got them in personal, so I got them all. So I'm tracking these. I'm tracking these trades. I do journal the trades that I put out. So I got like a lot of trades that I put in my journal. But that's how I back test. That's how I see if I'm profitable. How I see if I'm giving out good trades. So I do journal every single trade. It takes work, but I want to make sure I'm giving you guys profitable trades. And if I lose, I got to find out why I lost. So I'll take my time and find out. Maybe it was a bad entry. Maybe because I'm in the A range and they spiked in the middle of the news that I didn't see. So it's just stuff like that. That's all it is. Other than that, y'all got any questions? Look at that. Stop hunt, boy. Yeesh. They up there, boy. They pushing though. They be pushing. They stop hunting easy. Timmy Johnson, boy. Timmy Johnson. If this thing wicks, this thing gonna fly back down. So, but yeah, keep it there. Remember, we're in the A range, so we gotta make sure that we are safe. Never risk. I never risk more than 2% of my trades, so I don't ever worry about anything. And on indices, I don't risk probably not even close to 1%. I probably risk a half a percent, if that. If that. Yeah. So I mean, these are stuck pretty good. So let them ride. Gold's coming to you. Oil, all those trades. AJ, let's see what AJ's doing. Somebody said AJ was in profit already. AJ was off the daily. It's gonna be a while though. The AJ gonna be a while. But AJ is cooking. Yeah, AJ is cooking. It's gonna be a while. You got till Friday, so let it ride. AJ is a good move. This is gonna be, yeah, it's a good move. It probably won't hit this by Friday, but it should hit at least 40% of this. It should be at least close to 100 pips by like Thursday. Should hit 100 pips by Thursday, at least. And then you be good. Friday you be in profit. 1, 2, 3, be in profit up here. Stay in the trade until it tells you to get out. Hit these highs up here. I mean GJ might hit those highs. Let's see what GJ does. GJ might hit those highs too. Nice 100 pip move. Bam. 158. And GJ3 sauce. How did I miss this? There we go. GJ3 sauce. So there you go. I did have it there. What am I talking about? Wow, I didn't even give you guys GJ. I'm tripping. I put it out there too. I marked it up. I'm tripping. Wow. My bad. Forgot to give y'all GJ. All right, 155. 56. 226. Supposed to already been in GJ. I don't even know how I didn't get y'all GJ. Oh man, my bad, y'all. My Bizad 158. No. 156 227. No, that's not right. Not right. It's not right. It's not right. Let's remark this. Let's remark it up. Now, let's see what they can go. Probably won't hit that high. Or will they? They got money up there, though. They'll hit at least 100 pips. I know that much. All right, so stop loss. 155 245. TP. 58 969. GP, JPY. This is off the daily, guys. It's off the daily. So again, Friday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yep. And I do see this one hitting up at least 150, 160 pips at least. So this one's gonna be a while. I don't know how they give us this one. That was already what? How many pips is in profit already? 16 pipperoos already. But that's okay though because it'll come up, pull back, and then go 60, 70. It's pretty bullish though. This thing's pretty bullish. Not too far from the shift. Nice from the aqua. Nice came back down. It's nice. It's a nice one. Yeah, I'm holding it. I'm holding it. I'm holding GJ. I'm about to plug her in. Me and GJ about to be plugged in. I'll hold it till Friday, see what we have going on. I'm not gonna look at no news though. I mean, if it hits the aqua, thing's gone. If it hit the aqua, this thing's gonna go. Thing's gonna fly away now. So a good TP will be 158. If you want to hit 158, let me see 158. If you really want to just like, all right, I want my 100 pips or something. Let's see. Yeah, 158 is a good 160 pips. So 158 is not bad. 158 or 157, 950. But I'm gonna hit 158. That's a 160 pip move on that. So all right, we're good. GJ, I'm in there. All right, how y'all feeling tonight? Let me know. How y'all feeling? How y'all feel about these trades? Y'all nervous? Some of y'all like, man, I'm about to hold this trade. It's the first time holding trades. More than 10 seconds. It'd be like that. All right, so GJ, we gotta put that in there. Swing trading that thing. Anybody got any questions? If not, I'ma hop off. See y'all in the morning. Hold y'all trades, set it and forget it. You got a stop loss. Don't look at the noise. Now, just because you're in GJ buying doesn't mean you can't sell. Remember, you're in a higher time frame. So remember, all those higher time frame trades, just because you're buying or selling it, don't mean you can't play it both ways. Because you're on a way different time frame. You got a totally different set of rules that you're looking at. All right, so swing, boom. All right, that's all I have. I'm taking a few swing trades, and they're cool. Yeah, they take a while, but when they go, they fly, man. Like the second day, those things take off. I'll be like, good gosh, like it'll pull back on you. It'll be like real scary, and then all of a sudden it just takes off. Like you're like, man, I'm 70 pips in profit. And this thing's not coming back. I think the most I've had was I was on a daily, and I took GU. I took GU off of a nice like daily a daily market structure shift, and then it pulled back and threw me sauce. So I had the shift and it threw me sauce. I was about two positions. I was 1,000 pips in profit off both of them. It was crazy, and it took me I was in about a week. I was in about a week and a half. Yeah. So if you come to this 2-day here, you could be in this trade for about a week. So 3 candles. So 2, 4, 6. You've been here for about a week. Well, it threw me some nice sauce like this, a super. 1, 2, 3. You're in profit for a week. Stay in the trade. Trade for 2 weeks. So, and then literally it was great because I was 1,000 pips in profit, and I was getting ready to get my payout. So I closed. I was perfect. It was nice. It was like the perfect timing. I was 2 weeks. Got my payout. I was like, all right, closing it. Bam. It was nice. It was real nice. All right, you guys enjoy the night. I'll see y'all 3:30 or 4:30 a.m. and we're gonna get to the bag. Get to the bag. So let's see our trades. Sleep on our trades. Let them go in profit. We got a few days. Sometimes got 24 hours. So we got some time. We won't babysit it. But tomorrow we're gonna get to the bag. 15-minute time frame. Try to get some of these moves. So I'll look at news tonight. Check it out. I'll throw in the economic, see what we have, but you know we don't worry about news. We just play what we see. I'll see y'all tomorrow morning. Yeah, you can. You could hold them. You could hold. Yep, you can hold anything you want. I think the only one with purple trader is kind of weird. I think it was like U.S. Oil on the funded account, not the challenges, but the funded was the only ones. But other than that, you can hold every, you can hold everything. Scalp, hold, however you trade, that's what you do. We look for that stuff. On what? What did it give you a warning on? There was a system error somewhere with purple trader, but what did it give you a warning on? What pair? GU. What you? How long do you hold it? For the day? The weekend? Yeah, there was a system error giving out like, oh, you can't hold. I was like, that's not true. I don't know why they have that. So I mean, we cleared those things up. I don't know why I did that. Yeah, you should. Yeah, you should. Yeah, you could hold anytime. So if you ever get that error, don't sweat it. Just you know, oh, this is this the funded trader or this? Which one is this? MFF? On your live account, your live one, the one that you gave you. I think that's the one. I think that's the one might be the one. Yeah. On that one you can't. That's the weekend. Yeah, that one you can't. Got that cap to risk management. Yeah, see, you can't be. Yeah, got that cap to risk management. You can't be swing trading on a 2K. Terrence trying, he's like, look, man, I'm about to get this money. I'm going to Thailand next year. I don't know about y'all, but I'm going to Thailand. I don't know what y'all talk about. Nah, nah, you don't want to swing on a 2K account. Not enough capital, not enough margin, not enough margin. Even if it's 0-1, but it's not enough margin because you can get drawdown. Usually when you're swing trading, you're getting like a good 70 to 100 pips of a stop loss. Usually. And you don't have enough capital for that with a small accounts, even with your live accounts. So yeah. But yeah, I see you trying to go to Thailand, man. You trying to go to Thailand. Terrence, I'm getting, he's like, look, I'm making $1 million yesterday. What's wrong with y'all? Nah. But yeah. That one you can't. I got a cap to risk management. So yeah. See, I told you I was gonna force you. I told you I was gonna force you. Are you ready, man? Take it. What you waiting for? You got it. Take that challenge. Stop playing. Get fun. Go get funded. Stop playing, man. Go get funded. Yesterday was the day to get it. It was 90%. You pass it, you get 90% payout. So you missed that one, but that was the time to get it too because 90% off the bat for scaling. I mean, versus 3 months and you get off the bat 90%. Hey, look, I mean, that's how you work. That's how it works. That's how it works. 90% payout on 5K is nice, right? Shoot, easy. All right, I'm gonna see y'all. Y'all enjoy. Don't work too hard.